Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we did get the gap up yesterday. We sort of hovered in a bit of a range during the European session, and then as the US session opened up, we got buyers coming into the market, and we did break this level that I gave you yesterday. So that is becoming a key level at the moment on the lower time frames. I am still concerned about the gap, so I'm just going to use that. That's a weekly gap. It's very rare to get a V reversal, so normally you come back and close that gap. So anyway, we'll have to wait and see what's going to transpire. At the moment, 3 hour, you can see clear range and then into the moving averages. So this level is critical. This is 46.53 or 46.50 area. That is the area that needs to hold, and you can see we have kind of got it right, but the oscillators are starting to head back to the upside, indicating that we should potentially look out for a bounce to the downside. I suspect this sideways motion, as I said yesterday, is going to continue for at least half the week, if not more. So governments have had a knee-jerk reaction to the new virus strain or mutation, and there's no scientific reason what they're doing. And it just depends what's going to happen. And all the indications at the moment is that the new mutation is actually very mild. So yeah, we're going to have to wait and see when the politicians and the scientists actually listen to each other. A big thing for me at the moment, though, is this big move down. And then what we have forming here is a bit of a wedge from a pure technical price point or price action perspective. Big move down, consolidation move down, Elliott's wave, any type of thing that you want to do is move down, then there's an A, B, C correction. So you would expect another leg down. And that's kind of where we are at the moment. We've got this massive gap to the downside, and a measured move from there to there would give us slap bang into the zone that I gave you yesterday, which was around 45.50 area, 45.40, 45.50. So there's a lot going on here. I think what we're looking for is a potential hold. If we can hold above this 46.53, then if I delete that level, you'll see we have a flat top triangle breakout and retest. So if that happens, we're looking for continuation to the upside. Then your first target is going to be this gap to the upside. So lots of things going on. And then also you've got a big daily red bar from Friday, and now you've got an inside green bar. So we have an inside bar on the daily. You'll see it there. There's our inside bar. Let me just get rid of that noise. So you can see there, so that's on the daily there. So pretty decent inside bar. Challenges, you need a daily close above the top here for it to materialize. So for me at the moment, there's still no real setup. I'm looking for a proper setup, confirmed setup that's going to give me an opportunity, because at the moment it's 50-50. You've got the triangle, you've got the wedge, you've got a move down, you've got a consolidation, and I think the last thing that I can add on to this is probably a Fibonacci. Yeah, you can see straight on the 61.8. Okay, so the high of yesterday is critical. So this high here is critical at the moment, and I think the best way to do this is going to be 15-minute chart. It'll give you the best opportunities. So what you're looking for is, you already got a bit of structure break, but I'd be looking for a break above that level. So there's our move up, there's our range, break up, come retest, nice long entry, stop below the bottom of the range, and then you're looking for the measured move today, which is going to be around that. So that would take us to there. It wouldn't surprise me if that takes us to the gap. No, just underneath the gap. So there's the structure that it takes us to. So those are the two levels to the upside. So in summary, break 46.71 and hold it. Then I'm looking for 4,700, I would say. Just round that off to a straight number. Then you're looking at 47.08 again. Now, the big thing here is you're at the 155 EMA as well. But look at what's been happening. Below, above, below, above. So we'll need to, you more than likely come back and test that as well. Okay, so that's kind of my structure at the moment. break the current highs, retest them on a 15-minute, then I'm looking for a move to the upside. That's where I'm looking to take profit first, 46.97 or 4700. Then I'm looking for a retest for a pullback of some sort, preferably to come back down to test this break, which would be 46.71. And then I'm looking for a move up to come and close a gap. That's kind of the view that I've got at the moment. But anyway, be prepared. It's going to be volatile. Any bit of noise coming out from politicians and from scientists is going to impact the markets. And there have been some really clever politicians the last couple of days with some really intelligent comments. So anyway, pay attention. That's my kind of view at the moment. If we do break below 46.50, then I would expect us to start moving to the downside, possibly close this gap. But as I say, I don't chase the shorts on this market. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.